what people came up with. So, is the bond order from carbon to oxygen going to be the same no matter which oxygen I pick? No matter which oxygen, in two of the cases it'll have a single bond, the third case it'll have a double bond. Can you look at it and tell already what the bond order is going to be? Still working on how to do that. What we're going to do, we need to take an average. How many different structures am I going to average it over? 3. So I'm going to divide by 3 because there's 3 structures. If you're actually going to write down the math, you wouldn't normally write down structures, just the 3. I'm just trying to explain where the 3 comes from. Let's go ahead and work with specifically oxygen number 1, where we make that the top oxygen. And it doesn't matter which oxygen we pick, we're going to get the same answer for all of them. We'll just change the order we write numbers down in. What's the bond order in this first structure to the top oxygen? 2. So over here, I'll take a 2. That represents that double bond. So bond order in this one resonance structure is 2. That's not the averaged or correct bond order. I'm just trying to explain where I got that 2 from. What number would I plug in next for the second structure? 1. Because that's a bond order of 1. I'll put a 1 there. So I tell you to put it at 13 for this one and see if it catch on. Hopefully it's obvious that that's going to be a bond order of how much? 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 3. 4 thirds, or 1.33 repeating 3's. Does that make sense how we did that? And over here, to get my bond order of a half, if I just look at my top oxygen, aren't I going to divide by 2 because I have 2 structures? And I look here, it's a double bond, so I'll put 2 in. What will I add and do to that bond? Just a 1. That's where I was coming up with that bond order of 1.5. So we did that example. Which has the stronger nitrogen to oxygen bond, nitrite or nitrate? Could that be related to bond order? The higher the bond order, the stronger the bond is going to be. I could have asked, which has the higher bond order, but it's the same question as which has the stronger bond. Are you going to have to go through and do a couple of resonance structures? Real similar to the sort of thing I put on tests for the back. I'll just have to pass. I'll have to make sure I don't put this one on the next test. Have to do something different, right? Totally different. place over here or not yet? I think I threw out the word when isoelectronic. Means the same number of electrons, arranged the same way. Does this have 24 electrons altogether? Did the carbonate, which is still over there, have 24 electrons? Is there going to be some similarity between what I do for resin structures for nitrate compared to what I did for carbonate? If you get good at recognizing that things are isoelectronic, that saves you some time doing these. That's one of those more complex ideas that you don't need to totally understand to do okay in the class.